The AI job apocalypse isn't coming, it's here. And it's not hitting the way you think it would be hitting. New data from multiple sources show AI is absolutely decimating white-collar jobs at a rate that's honestly shocking. We're talking about legal services, architecture, administrative work, the jobs that were supposed to be safe. Here's what's wild. Over the next 5 years, these sectors are facing massive displacement. And for the first time, politicians are actually starting to care about these white-collar job losses. Why? Because these are educated professional voters who show up to elections. But here's the question nobody's asking. What happens when the people who make policies suddenly find their jobs are threatened by the same technology we've been promoting? The Yale Budget Lab just dropped research showing we're in completely uncharted territory with AI labour displacement. This isn't the Industrial Revolution where new jobs eventually replace old ones. This is different. This is cognitive work being automated at scale, and honestly, I don't think most people realise how fast this is actually moving. The Pentagon's Chief Technology Officer just revealed he's been in a massive clash with Anthropic over autonomous weapons development, and this exposes something huge about AI safety. While OpenAI is cozying up to defence contracts, Anthropic is pushing back hard on military applications. But here's the thing though, this isn't about ethics, it's about marketing position. The company that controls military AI contracts controls the future of warfare, and every major AI lab knows it. The feud is reshaping the entire AI safety conversation because when national security gets involved, all those safety principles suddenly become negotiable. The European Parliament just banned AI tools on lawmaker devices over fears the US data leakage, and let that sink in for a second.